I know I'm not vlogging a while still. But I don't know me, I was telling the son I come back strong. Jano, I don't want to see who I walk up on.
Do it for the love and I do it for the likes. Hey vlog world!
How long now I know you? 2 years? 3 years?
2 years.
At least she shot at me so she can't say, oh look how me shot.
2 years.
I try to work to do.
Short and fat.
I try to do. Say that part. So I just follow back. Shanice go a work place, isn't me? Because she showed me exactly my destination. So I say I'm there near. So I go into the bathroom, I have to go hold a little piece. This guy in the bathroom with him, with the compartment wide open, in pants they are going everything at our doodle, you see me? This man jump up and say, yo, I through the place now I can't hand it a buck and attack a bag of foolishness. But just come out. Because that's funny. People are never ready for this still. But I want to meet up with one of my favorite vloggers, if not my favorite vlogger from Liverpool. Soai vlogs, yo, turn on the car light and before me I was vlogging on my youth. Soai vlogs on the vlog people.
You mean?
Hey man, I'm famous enough people.
Yeah, what is
It's cool man. Yo, a month now me and this man for link up, months.
It's been a minute, it's been a minute.
Hey man, it's been a minute. Hey, Soai vlogs, ladies. Don't touch me too hard, that's what I say. Finally, Soai vlogs that you know man.
You don't know, Razablade TV.
Entertainment. Look
3D.
Oh God. Look at my face. Look at my face. I love the camera in brother. So I pre.
Clean man.
He be last car in my drive.
Me la. You're a navigator, you're a drive shotgun.
Oh, look who's there on the scene.
The man them.
The man them.
The man them. Squad. The man them.
So how do you Yo, this man last week, you see me? This man last week,
yeah, man.
last week, where on a Portland where I come from?
You come at Hakeem already, we never found you say yet. I don't
a Portland where I come from, yeah.
Portland?
This man could go to Portland like a while.
Right
now vlog where we decided to say it's a home invasion. After Ibi last week. Yeah. Yo, this man look like he want to fly without go firing. Well, me and him never got firing before, you know. So I fly me up on the drone. You get it back?
Yeah, thing working perfectly.
My brother dropped that out of the sky the other day. Yo, just look how yourself. Look how they depend.
No, dog.
Chano. Yo, I love him on camera, so tell.
Really good.
Hey, I'm on TV, people. I'm on TV.
It's the first time I ever go up and close to a drone is it. The man there.
People, sorry for the darkness of the vlog. Sometimes we have to turn on the light because you know, we're now on the bed and you know the bright light you affect on the eye when you can't sleep properly. But we don't know this drone because I think you know a long time vlog we don't see it fly, isn't it? So the pilot is here now. People don't even remember this guy. This guy doesn't vlog. This guy doesn't make videos. What does he do, people? I don't know what Kush is smoking.
I make money, but isn't it?
Yeah, me know you come with your money move talk, you know. Yeah, man. One talk.
No, I'm only for dog. No, you want to dog?
Yeah.
Let's not say Christmas coming.
Yeah.
You have to compete with me and I have to keep up, you know.
Me show you how me now flop my channel. The reason why I can't go keep up with you, brother, is because you move at a slow pace. Yeah, catch me. I not promise you too much still and then I not post none and then him go post all the vlogs them. But make sure you tune into both of them. If you see who have a job vlogs in a Christmas. Soai vlogs. I don't know if me officially introduce him. I've been watching this dude for a long while. Well, the whole channel for a long while. You see the man we have people around mouth water in hours a morning. One morning, I get up about 3 o'clock I watch this man video. This man, they are restaurant and I see some food and I say, boy, belly want cry. And this dude now, check up him because him say I make a big comeback. So him come like Vibes Cartel soon to be released from prison. Yo, so I hype him up. So I hype him up.
Yo, people.
Yeah.
So if anything me drop,
yeah.
I'll goal, isn't me? So it sound like someone just a drop beer bronze. Is it? You drop goal, so it take time.
Big subscribers, little subscribers.
The measurement.
It's true.
Boy, it's just a sad thing to me actual height now do the real talk and the matter. Isn't it?
Yeah, but you know.
But you don't tell me by much though, bro.
I don't know by much.
And you beard them taller than me still. Alright, no more burning or roasting for Hakeem Kush. I want to check him out.
You know what I'm start? Yeah, you know what?
I want to check him out because people
people
give thanks to him because of him. Make me start vlog, you see me? We don't know that. But this nigga start make money and belly start get big.
Yo.
Yeah, my ice cream, Kako.
Even the man look like him walking with him daughter in him belly.
John, what they say, good dog?
Yeah,
I know
that.
you're funny, so what you...
Yo, me there around great people, me feel good. But yeah, this boy I about for flying drone still. Yo, this man gonna make you vlog. He drone chop me. Where are the youth? Where are the youth? You can't frighten me because one thing must do, you know, just come beside you, because you know, make it chop you, you know. Okay. Youth, catch it. People, you see that little star in the sky right now? Yeah, that is Hakeem Kush right now, as a matter of fact. That's his hopes of putting up 20 vlogs this Christmas. Can hardly see it.
Guys, I've never looked at a drone before, so it's my first opportunity to actually see it, you know?
Why? He be there reminiscing on some people.
What?
He may say he be there reminiscing first time looking in.
But no, you never behave because you didn't just see the first.
Yeah, no, me not say nothing. Me just say him a reminisce.
You want to see him like a cheerleader in this.
Me a cheerleader. Enjoy the
What
drone.
do you mean?
Yo. You me love that shot already. See if we can get a shot today. This mad, bro. Take a picture. Even afraid. Hey. Hey, vlogger. Soai vlogs. Him say love nature adaptation now, so I understand him not deal with the robot business, you know.
The robot thing, none at all.
Yo, when I looking for the drone, like the whole footage part, like that part that just bad. I love to see it. Yo, this calm. Maybe that was close, you know. On the other side. Over 16,000 subscribers on the main, 1,000 add on the vlog. Yo, I just love when this dude a vlog, because I just want to laugh at me and my talk to him camera, because I act like him weird. You are a naturalist, isn't it? This man a naturalist. Yeah, this man in my vlog is like, you know, in him camera, you just did it with him, isn't it? This dude now, he must have a vlog, he must have talk to him beard. Yo, you remember me telling you I'm a homeboy still, you know.
Check it out,
yo, I'm a homeboy still, no feel away the people.
Yo, I don't have a girl now, but how much girl this that be give me? You see me?
And the palmer.
Yo, this alone,
10 pit them.
but I get to work. Alone, work, but I'm a beard. Grow beard. Kids, grow beard.
Broom. Broom.
What that?
Yo, don't burn the man no more like that. But me nah do no more like that. But yeah, people, me know this dude, me have 700 subscribers on YouTube. Now me have whole heap more. I know this dude, I remember when this dude said me know him from. Him say me have 1,000 at the time, but me feel like me never did have so much. But that's how him say.
You have so much. Cause remember, it is still more than.
Dog, the man, yo, bad man.
No, remix, you know?
The man.
Me never reach 1,000.
First time. Remember, because you have less than me.
Yeah.
Less than me.
Because anybody who have 1,000 subscribers and go have a hype and he never feel happy then.
Me never feel happy none at all. Remember, when me just know your Kush, me did a pre-say we're gonna start do some skits and you did actually drop skits every Wednesday. Me did take Monday, me already take Tuesday, you did take the Wednesday. I remember so them time there you did have more than me. Yeah, I mean, every time I tell you, say, yo, every Monday, me a beat on this thing, you know.
Every Wednesday for me.
You remember where I say, alright then, we do it by days, you see me? I mean, don't know what the hell happened. Well, you slow down for skits, you did start the vlogs. Because when me see the vlog, I say, yo, I want to try this thing, you know, but I feel uncomfortable. Like, I don't know how to do this. You see me?
Yeah, I'm not expensive, so yo, I could do like me alone thing.
Yeah.
Say, yo, you did just practice.
Yeah, ask him. Me shy, when he not really say shy as a person, but when it come to the vlogging like me, I say this does feel like me can't do it. It's weird, you see me? So now when I see him do it, I say look weird because him just come like him just lock in our zone, like him not love talk to him camera again. Him. And this brother sit down and teach me. I say, "No, brother, vlog man, if you put up a vlog them man and go some place." So the man still tell me, you know.
I just don't like chatting for forever, dog. Alright, it's like this. It's like literally, it's like, alright, to me, I saw on the kind of comment on vlog, dog. To be honest, I'll vlog a vibe, like so. I'll vlog like 2 minutes of this and probably edit it. So I'll cut down to probably like 48 minutes, 48 seconds. But
yeah,
it's
edit
like,
man.
But it's like yo, I love to see. I love
The hype part.
Yeah, I must love it. That.
Yeah, editor.
Yeah, because when I edit,
but watch
honest, it's like, okay.
If Casey Nice sat there talk out now, all I'm vlog them, you would still watch them.
But Casey Nice.
It does, but mom tell you.
But Casey Nice, this is what Casey Nice does vlog. It start with a time lapse.
Yeah.
Almost all the time. And it always have some inspirational whatever inspirational they might go talk about, everything in that vlog I lead up to that inspiration pretty much. And like I just cut because in vlogs are not long either.
Like
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so bye Joni.
Cut him off.
Don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot more videos coming this Christmas.
All I wanna do is go out trapping with the shooters. Wrist on froze, you should see how I maneuver. Shorty say she down and up and flex with all the shooters. Shorty, all you gotta get ahead of all my shooters.